Hey guys, I'm finally back. Welcome to another episode of MDTV. In this episode, I want to show you the sick wheels that I got for my car. They're a perfect fitment. The paint job is absolutely amazing. Let's go have a look. It's a little bit windy today. My hair's flying around everywhere. Now, these wheels here are really cool. You could probably see that they have a blue ring around them, and I'm just going to jump right in and show you what these wheels are. These wheels are Wedssport SA-25, 18-inch wheels, 9.5 wide, with a perfect offset of plus 38. Within the Subaru community, these specs are known to give perfect fitment for almost all WRXs. And this one, oh my god, bloody perfect. Have a look at the fitment at the back. Right, that fitment is absolutely perfect. It's so flush. I'm running Zestino semi-slicks. They are 255 by 35. I've been away from YouTube for the last month a bit because I was waiting for this new camera to come in. It's the Sony a7C II. I'm still learning how to use it. There's so many new features. But what do you think of the quality in this video? Let me know in the comment section below. When I first bought these wheels, I thought they looked sick, but I was a little bit worried because of that blue ring. I was worried that the blue ring would not suit the car, but I'm so glad that I went for it because it's so unique. It suits the car so well, especially in the white. I am thinking about painting the calipers in the same color or the same blue that's on the wheels so that it matches, but let me know what you think in the comment section below. I thought the face of these wheels were black because they do look black, especially from afar anyway. And I didn't realize this until a day or two after I got the wheels, but the face of these wheels are actually a navy color. They're actually color shifting and not just the black. Now the sun's coming back out, so hopefully you can see some reflection on the wheels. I just washed these bloody wheels and they're already so dirty. I hope the camera can pick it up. It's a bit cloudy today, so you might not be able to see well, but if I put a flash in it, maybe you can see that it's a little bit navy. No, that's probably not helping. But it is a deep navy, and the color shifts or changes depending on the lighting and where you stand. So if you stand over on this side where it's a little bit darker, the wheels look black. But if I move to the other side where the sun is shining a little bit more, you can see that the face of these wheels are a deep blue. And I reckon it suits the car so much. They're so unique. They are super lightweight and they're so epic. I'm so glad I went with these. I wanted to get these wheels in bronze, and I'm glad I did it because they're so unique. I've not seen this on any other car before. These wheels, the SA-25R, are actually very popular, especially in the bronze, silver and black. But I've not seen these wheels in this color, and definitely not on this kind of car. If you're curious, the color of these wheels are called BLC II. I think that's blue light chrome 2. The color is an extra premium from Wedssport. It's a custom color, and like I said, it's very rare, but I think it's bloody awesome. It suits the car so well. Such a shame that the sun's not out so I can show you the color shifting navy. But what do you think? I think the car sits perfectly right now. It is lowered on a set of MCA coilovers. It's not completely slammed because I do daily drive this and I do plan to take this to the track. I don't want to deal with any scrubbing issues or anything. Back here, I can fit just barely 2 fingers in that gap, and I set it up so that it's consistent at all 4 corners. The car looks really sick. I can't get enough of these wheels. Let me know what you think of these wheels in the comments. Now, I've just passed 3-year ownership of this car. It might be time to move on for some people, but for some reason, I just can't part ways with it. It's not the best car in the world, but I'm so happy with this thing, especially now with the MCA coilovers. This thing handles so well. It drives like nothing else. It's so comfortable, it's so sporty. And with these wheels, I don't know, it's a pretty killer combo. I got a huge bargain on these wheels. I bought these wheels used. They were from a car shop. They had it on one of their show cars, but then they took it off. Apparently they never drove it on the road. And just checking the conditions of it, there's no rock chips. It's been ceramic coated. There's no scratches. It's in such good condition. And you won't believe how much I got it for. $1,400, such a steal. And I'm so happy with the way the car looks at the moment. And I think it's gonna stay like this probably forever. I really can't get enough of these wheels, can't get enough of this setup. The car just keeps impressing me. And now with the new VBW RX out, that's a great car, but I still think this is a pretty good car as well. It might not be as fast, but the looks are very timeless. And gosh, these wheels, I really can't get enough of these wheels. I'm thinking of making a video about whether or not you should buy a VA WRX in 2023. I wish it was sunnier so I can show you how cool these wheels look when the color shifts in the sun. My God, that blue ring, I might have to get someone to do rollers for me while this is driving, because I reckon that blue ring looks really cool when this is driving on the road. That's it for this episode. Just a short video, show off the color shifting wheels. I wasn't going to do it at first, but pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the new wheels, but also let me know what you think of the quality of this new camera. I paid a lot of money for it, so hopefully it's worth it. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. I'll see you in the next episode.